Good morning, guys. It is our final few hours here. Can't breathe. In Peru. We are in Urubamba at the resort, and we had bigger plans, ended up staying here. So now we're going to go see little baby alpacas before we have breakfast, and then we'll head out back to a few spots, then to Cusco, and that will be it. But oh my gosh, how cute. Hello guys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Hi. Hello. You're so cute and fluffy. We're following the little llamas.
Que acá vivieron bastantes españoles. En algunas casas vamos a ver muros españoles, ¿ya? No vamos a pasar. Por ejemplo, ahí en la plaza lo que vemos, esas las salineras. Ahí. Y acá a la voltear vamos a poder apreciar moray. Aquí, por ejemplo, miren, muros españoles. Descendieron bastantes españoles por aquí, ¿ya? Es por eso que este pueblito no lo pueden refaccionar simplemente por afuera de repente, y no lo pueden demoler las casas antiguas. Son casonas antiguas que hay aquí. The traffic.
Hola. Guys, make sure you already bought your tickets or you have to pay cash to come here. There's an option for a few days plus a couple locations. You can't just do one location, so definitely plan before you come. We are now here in Moray. Got our tickets. Thank you. Thank you. Costs about $20 US to get a ticket to Moray, and there's another location that we're gonna go to because you can't just buy for one place.
En ahí podemos ver los agricultores cómo trabajan la tierra. Ese instrumento, lo que ellos tienen, se llama chaquitaglia. El chaquitaglia sirve para poder abrir la tierra, ¿eh? En la época no habían, ahora sí podemos tener tractores y todo eso. Y otra forma también para poder...
Oh my goodness. Guys, so we have made it to a place called Salineras, and it is one of the most insane things besides Machu Picchu that I've ever seen. Look at this, and all the white down there is actually salt. That's why it's called Salineras. And those are all little pools of salt that they actually work on with their feet. To explain kind of what I'm saying, there's actually a little documentary on Disney Plus. I'll see if I can find the name and put it in the description or on the screen right here, but it talks about in India there's actually something very, very similar, and it kind of goes into details of how they take care of it and how they like mine it and all that stuff. So I will put that on the screen if you can check it out. But this is insane. I cannot believe it. Oh my gosh, so cute. Hi, babies. Oh my gosh.
¿Cómo trabajan? ¿Cómo elaboran?
Good afternoon, ladies. Welcome to Chinchero Center. My name is Cleofe. Now I am going to about the weaving process for cada one a small glass. When animal is alive, we use scissors or a knife. And normally cada one is an animal alive. And this is sheepwool. It's a process in alpaca and baby alpaca. Look at this sheepwool alpaca is very dirty. For washing, the natural root. The quechua is Sahtama or such a parakai. This root is natural better than natural shampoo. We call this Inca shampoo. It's good for washing for hair, prevent the gray hair. You can see the bubble. This no smell, no flower, is only natural. The sheepwool alpaca wool is very dirty because they don't ever take a shower. It's good for plants because it's natural, it's organic. You can see it before and after.
Wow.
Dry in the sun. Then we pass the spinning down. The break is no problem. I want together. Pulling the wool and twisting that wool. They calculate that thread for the sweater, for blanket, for ponchos. For different products is different thread. This the finish, they prepare the yarn. For different color, for them the color is different plants, leaves, flowers, insects. For example, for green color, this the eucalyptus leaves and chinca leaves. For yellow color, this the retama, coli and daisy kiko flower. For orange color is the moss, the lichen from Machu Picchu and data. The quechua is cacasun, is from the Roqueres. For blue color, this the lupin flower. For purple color, this purple cow, for protein, for chicha morada. For red color is the beetle insect, the cochineal. The cochineal is from the cactus. This is cochineal dry, cochineal powder, and this is cochineal alive. This is cochineal alive. And you sacrifice for fresh color.
Oh my god.
Yeah. For change the color along a stem. For change the color. For second color, you can put lemon juice. Different red. From cochineal, 24 different red colors.
Wow.
And this is for lipstick, for cosmetic.
How pretty.
Resisted 24 hours for 100 kisses. It's very cheap, but it's very economy. For fix the color is the foreign mineral. This is sulfurous, aloe stone, volcanic stone, and lemon juice. And this phosphoryl cochineal powder and wool. Yeah? Has to boil in 35 minutes. Yeah? Another phosphoryl eucalyptus and wool has to boil in for 2 hours because the leaves is fresh. To take a picture. After the washing the wool, the color is permanent. Never lose the color. When washed, the color is permanent. Then we pass for second process. For second process, we prepare the loom for the table running, for blanket, for bunches. We prepare 2 people or 3 people according how we feel in for the cross. Because the table runner or blanket is reversible and the machine is qualifies. The most important here is the black color because represent the Mother Earth of Pachamama. For table runner we need approximately 1,500 thread. For carries the baby or ponchos we need approximately 2,500 thread. Then we start she making the table runner. She making the design. For design we don't need a book, the paper, or your computer for copy. We elaborate only from memory because the generation, the mother and daughter. The principal tool is a bone. One question, ladies. What kind of bone is this? Whose bone is this?
Hopefully not the alpacas.
No alpaca.
That is a vicuña bone.
No.
Llama bone. Cui bone. No, too big. Hold on. Can I see it? Is it a human bone?
Yes.
It is?
Yes. This bone is the tourist bone.
The tourist bone. It's a trap.
This bone didn't buy anything.
Uh-oh.
No, it's a joking. This is alpaca bone or llama bone.
Okay. Oh.
We use for to tie the table runner because the table runner or blanket is very, very tight. This is for to tie the table. The design is reversible and the machine is qualifies. For Phoenix, the table runner is for 1 month, 6 hours day every day.